how to get your brand, your company into LLMs. As you know, over the past few years, we have witnessed search engines like Google declining in their traffic, in their impact on the overall search pie, meaning people don't use search engines as often. They are opting for products like OpenAI's ChatGPT and other LLMs in order to get direct search results. Now, recently, there has been some interesting news by a tweet by Sam Altman where he actually wondered how much traffic does ChatGPT send to other big websites. To that, SimilarWeb reacted with some stats claiming OpenAI generated 1.153 billion outgoing visits from February to April 2025. You can see that that's a pretty hefty amount looking at the overall search engine market. Now, this has been generating quite a few headlines and got folks to think, how can I get my brand, my company into such AI tools like ChatGPT? Well, the first step is actually moving from top of funnel sort of fluff content that used to be top of funnel SEO content into middle of the funnel, what's known as a MOFU or even BOFU, bottom of the funnel gold. Example, stop writing with what is term X, what is Zero Trust Networking Access, ZTNA. AI does that better. Instead, focus on what is the best tool for remote developers. How do I set up this ZTNA for scenario X, as an example, dev team? What are some alternatives to ZTNA or to VPN that also support GitHub? Number 2, treat AI behavior just like SEO behavior, meaning you need to understand that each AI tool pulls content from some other different resources. In the case of ChatGPT, mainly Bing, Google, Docs, FAQs, Wikipedia, and some YouTube content. Perplexity mainly relies on Reddit, YouTube, and blogs. Gemini, Google's own index schema, naturally relies on Google search. Grok, this is the X GenAI product, uses Twitter naturally, and different content being shared on X. So what does that mean for you as a company? You have to spread your efforts and sort of be everywhere. Now, what are some tactical actions you can take today? Number 1, you need to create an audit. Google your core queries in ChatGPT, in Gemini, in Perplexity. See which sites get sitiated. Is your domain there? Number 2, semantic SEO and structured data. At the very basis, in order to appear at these GenAI tools, you need to have your data structured properly on your website. You need to have the semantic context and connections between terms, so LLMs can easily pick it up and feature it. You need to create deeper content targeting within semantic clusters. For example, VPN alternatives for startups, subtopic, WireGuard, split tunneling, DNS filtering. You need to add FAQ schema, tool comparisons, internal links, and use headlines wisely. Phase 3, multi-channel amplification. You need to get featured where GenAI tools actually look for. Example, Reddit threads, especially for niche subs like networking, YouTube walkthroughs for Perplexity to pull, help docs, dev portals for tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. So in essence, you need to spread across different tools and you need to build your strategy wisely. What you shouldn't do? Well, please don't keep writing fluffy SEO first blogs for top of funnel content. These are really on the decay and on the decline and are not really bringing much value these days, not for new traffic and especially not for your buyers. You always need to focus on generating value. Don't assume AI will just find you. Placement really matters now. Don't try to game the algorithm. Instead, focus and win with quality, context, and clarity. So, GenAI is gradually replacing traditional SEO and search engine traffic. It is really important not to be left behind. Get on the GenAI train and optimize your content, your website, and your marketing efforts in the new AI world. If you like my content, like, subscribe for more